Okay, September 28, year 2022. Okay, I'm going to test the remote. Okay, this is A, C, up, down. There. And this is switch for the A, host A, there. And B, and both A and B. There, both A and B. There, both A and B. And both are off. Okay. Again, there, one relay for A, and another relay for B, and another two relay, both are on, A and B. Okay, so all the switches are still working. Yeah. B, yeah. This both A and B. Okay, let's switch off the A and B. Okay, everything seems to work perfectly. A, B, then A and B. A and B, maybe, yeah, there. Okay, yeah. So A, B, A and B. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.